Are you struggling to manage your time effectively as a leader? Time, the one resource we all share and yet can never replenish. As leaders, managing time efficiently is crucial. It's not just about checking off tasks on a list, it's about fostering team growth, meeting targets, and avoiding leadership hiccups. But let's be honest, it's a challenge. In this video, we'll share 5 time management hacks to help you avoid leadership failures and promote team development. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1, prioritize your tasks. Ever heard of the Eisenhower box? It's a simple yet powerful tool to sort out your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Picture a box divided into 4 quadrants. The top left represents tasks that are both urgent and important. The top right holds tasks that are important but not urgent. The bottom left are those urgent but not important. And the bottom right, well, those are neither urgent nor important. How does this work in the real world? Take the example of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. He's known to begin his day tackling high cognitive load tasks, those that fall into the urgent and important quadrant. By doing so, he ensures his day starts with maximum productivity. By focusing on high-priority activities, you ensure that important goals are achieved and your team stays on track. Tip number 2, delegate tasks effectively. Remember, as a leader, you can't do everything yourself. Effective delegation is the key to unlocking your team's potential. It's about recognizing the unique strengths and abilities of your team members and assigning tasks accordingly. Think of Steve Jobs, who once said, "It doesn't make sense to hire smart people and then tell them what to do. We hire smart people so they can tell us what to do." Jobs knew that to build a world-class company, he needed to leverage the talents of his team, not micromanage them. So how do you delegate effectively? Start by understanding your team's skills. Then assign tasks that align with these skills. This not only increases efficiency but also boosts team morale as people feel valued and challenged in their roles. Remember, effective delegation isn't about offloading tasks. It's about empowering your team to contribute their best work. Not only will this save you time, but it will also empower your team members and help them grow. Tip number 3, set clear goals and expectations. Ever heard of SMART goals? If not, let's break it down. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's a proven strategy that helps turn nebulous ideas into concrete plans. Take, for instance, a popular tech company that wanted to increase its market share. Instead of saying, "We want to grow," they set a SMART goal. Increase our market share by 10% in the next fiscal year by launching an innovative product. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant to their business, and time-bound. The beauty of SMART goals is that they offer a clear path to success. They're like a roadmap, showing your team where they're heading, how they'll get there, and when they should arrive. By establishing specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you'll enable your team to work together towards a common objective. Tip number 4, embrace technology and automation. Leverage the power of technology to streamline your day-to-day activities. There's a whole world of digital tools designed to make your life easier. Take project management, for instance. Platforms like Trello or Asana can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and progress, all in one place. And let's not forget about communication tools. Apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams can enhance collaboration, allowing for real-time communication regardless of location. Leaders like Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, effectively use technology to drive productivity and collaboration. So why not follow in their footsteps? From project management tools to communication platforms, there are countless resources available to help you save time and enhance collaboration. Tip number 5, foster an environment of open communication. Encourage your team members to share their ideas, concerns, and feedback. Open communication is a cornerstone of effective leadership. Take the example of Elon Musk, who is known for his direct and transparent communication style. His open-door policy encourages employees at all levels to voice their ideas and concerns, promoting a culture of innovation and growth. Similarly, Indra Nooyi, the former CEO of PepsiCo, attributed much of her success to fostering a culture of open dialogue and trust. By valuing and respecting the opinions of every team member, she was able to drive collaboration and inspire innovation. By promoting a culture of open communication, you'll foster trust, collaboration, and ultimately drive team growth. By implementing these 5 time management hacks, you'll not only become a more effective leader, but also foster team growth and achieve extraordinary results. Remember, prioritize, delegate, set goals, embrace technology, and foster open communication. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights for mastering leadership.